Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel about math tutorial and lecture videos. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo sa YouTube channel ko, Barry Umungos. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para naman po makita nyo yung ibang lecture at tutorial videos ko. At huwag po nyo kalimutan na i-like at i-follow ang Facebook page ko, I Will Love Math by Barry Bongkaras Umungos. And you can leave your comments, and please don't forget to like and share, and you can write your comments there and ask me to discuss or solve any problems that you want about mathematics subjects. Okay, for now we will still discuss about arithmetic sequence. Okay, now we have our problem here, right? The first 5 elements of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, this is very useful class. Like when you take a civil service exam, they will give you sequences, different types of sequences, and some sort of exams, I guess there are sequences, no? Murag na-adjust yung sequences Japan appeal. Sometimes you will apply in a company na Japan ng mga abstract, ng mga sequence Japan. Okay. So, in number 1, you are given your first element as 5, and then the common difference is equal to 3. So, take note, we need to find the first 5 elements of the arithmetic sequence. So, here, we knew that the first element is 5. Now, we will solve for the second element, the third element, the fourth element, and the fifth element. So, how do we obtain the next 4 elements of the sequence? Okay, since we are given that the common difference is equal to 3 or positive 3, all you need to do here is you add 3 to your first element. So, here, you add 3 sa first element, the 5. So, 5 plus 3, you have 8. And 8 will be your second element. Okay? So, how to obtain your third element? Okay, since your second element is 8, still you need to add 3. And that is 8 plus 3, you have 11. So, that would be your third element. Okay? So, we have now 3 elements, two more. Okay? To obtain the fourth element here, since your third element is 11, so you still need to add 3. So 11 plus 3, you have 14. So it follows that your fourth element is 14. Are we correct? Okay? Nakasunod ba? Okay. So our last element would be 14 plus 3, which is equal to 17. So these are our first 5 elements of the arithmetic sequence. Then we can still continue that one since we already knew that our common difference is 3. Okay, you can find the first 10 elements still by adding 3, okay, to each element. Okay? So there you go. Let's move on to example number 10. Example number 2 rather. Wherein your first element is 10 and then your common difference is negative 4. Okay, here again, we knew that our first element is 10. Okay? So we need to obtain the second element, the third element, the fourth element, and the fifth element. Okay. Now, again, it is just the same on how we solve example number 1. Since we already given the common difference is minus 4 or negative 4, all we need to do here is first you subtract the first element by 4. So meaning 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, and that would be your second element. Okay, can you follow? Okay. Now, since your second element is 6, still you need to subtract it by 4. And that 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. And that would be your third element. Okay, naka-follow ba? Okay. Now, since your third element is 2, still you subtract that by 4, and that is negative 2. So it follows that your fourth element is negative 2. And what would be your fifth element here? Okay, again, from negative 2, wherein this is your fourth element, you subtract that by 4. So negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. So therefore, your fifth element is negative 6. Okay? I hope you've learned something from this topic in finding the first 5 elements of a certain arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, now, what if I'll give you another example for you to work? Okay? I really hope you've learned something from here. Okay? So, I'll give you another example. Okay. So, what if your first element is negative 5, and then the common difference is negative 7? Okay? So, can you do that in your own? And we knew already that our first element here is negative 5. So, all you need to do is to solve for the next element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Until the fifth element. Can you do that in your own? Is it okay? Okay lang ba? So, work for that. I'll give you some time. I'll give you 2 minutes to do that. Okay, are you through? Take note, you will know that you're correct if your fifth element is negative 33. Okay? That's all for today. Please don't forget to hit the like button and share it to your friends. And thank you for watching.